Recently, there has been a lot of news pieces about Google search results dropping in quality. Not sure if it's a broad marketing campaign against Google to market new search products, though from my own personal experience, I have seen some problems with Google when you try to search something and it's not giving you a good result, though usually it is because there is nothing on the internet to answer your query. There is one product that I want to try out today, which is called Perplexity AI, and I want to basically compare it to Google, which I think is the best way to measure the quality of it, is by doing searches on both of these search engines and then comparing the results and seeing which one is best for you. So I think this is the best way to go forward comparing two different search engines. So let's start out. The first query that I wanna do is how many seasons there will be for the series The Last of Us. And let's see what Perplexity AI is giving us. So The Last of Us TV show has been confirmed for 2 seasons. That's nice, and we have sources, with the first season covering the entirety of the first game and the second season covering the sequel. There are rumors of a third game being planned, which could potentially lead to a third season. So that's a pretty good answer. It reminds me of ChatGPT, though it definitely is a little bit better because we actually have the sources. And what does Google say? So it is pretty similar because we have the same summary pretty much. The show creators have already confirmed the season 1 will occur first game, season 2 will cover the sequel. There are rumors of the third game being planned by Druckerman, which means the series could potentially continue for one more season. And then we have other results where we could read more. And over here we also have a related, same as with Google. So yeah, in my opinion, it is 1 for 1. It would be hard to say which one is better. Though over here on Perplexity, we can also ask a follow-up question. Let's do another query. And we ask, best place to buy Bitcoin. The best place to buy Bitcoin in 2023 are Gemini Exchange, Robinhood, Bitcoin.org, Coinbase.com, Bitcoin.com, CoinMama, BuyDefi, Kraken, Crypto.com, and BizQ. These platforms offer excellent security, acceptable fees, and are convenient to use. And we have sources to go and find more. It's pretty good. We can also click View Detailed, which will give us a longer answer. But overall, we got what we wanted. And the same question if we have ads, and then we have a list of answers. Uphold, Zengo, Bitstamp, pretty similar. And we also have, the same articles are pretty much over here. So the ads definitely pick up a lot of real estate on Google. So I would go with Perplexity being the better answer over here. So in a new thread, I want to know why the price of eggs have increased, which is kind of a problem in the US right now. So the egg prices have increased due to a combination of factors, including changes eating habits, bird flu outbreaks, and inflation. It may take several months for prices to return to normal, and there are several sources. We can view a detailed list. What if we view a list? Oh, it's more like Google then. And let's take a look on Google. What does Google say? why the price of eggs have increased. So in this search, it doesn't have a summary. Maybe not a lot of people have searched for that, and there isn't a prepared summary because Google only gives that for probably more popular queries, or I'm not too sure what's the reason why there is no summary. So yeah, though there is no ads and we have similar sources, why egg prices have increased, CNBC, Forbes. So the search results are quite similar, though this explains it very, very quickly. More like ChatGPT-like, which is the AI part of Perplexity. The next question is, when are the next Olympic Games? The next Olympic Games will be held in Paris, France from July 26 to August 11, 2024. The following Summer Games will be held in Los Angeles, California, 2028. Okay, what does Google say? Friday, July 26, Sunday, August 11. I would say they are equally good search results. And for the last question, let's go a little bit technical and ask, why can't I use copy button on Google Docs? If you tried Google Docs, you might have run into this problem. So it says Google Docs does not have access to the clipboard, which is why it cannot offer a copy button to copy and paste text and images in Google Docs. Users can use keyboard shortcuts, the right-click menu, or select copy or paste from edit menu in the toolbar. The web clipboard feature can also be used to copy and paste text. Additionally, users can force others to make a copy of a Google Doc by sharing it as anyone with a link or public. It's an interesting answer, where I think the logic is a little bit missed. You might be able to copy and paste with the right-click menu, but for security reasons, most browsers don't allow web apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides to use your computer's clipboard through menus. So for a technical query, it is a little more difficult to answer it in a short summary. So all in all, it's hard to say who is better. To me, Google definitely does its job. Perplexity AI, well, you can predictably know that for every query you will have this kind of summary, which saves time and you get the information faster. Though for some queries you still need to read the sources and to read a little bit more if it is technical to get the whole gist of it. So I'm not saying that Perplexity is a bad tool, though I'm not saying that I am going to switch from Google to using Perplexity. So this is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. And what do you think about Perplexity AI's search capabilities? Let me know in the comments below.